Hello and welcome to Benmarks Motors. Here today we have this beautiful 2018 Range Rover Sport 3 litre SD. It's diesel automatic in white with a black roof. So we've done just over 56,000 miles. Comes with a full service history with 7 stamps, 6 being the main dealer. It's in lovely condition inside and out, while sitting on some lovely 21-inch alloys that are in brilliant condition. Can't see any marks on the alloys themselves. And it'll look absolutely amazing on this car. Being the Sport and high spec, it does come with the usual Range Rover perks. We electric windows, seat positionings, the electric seats, and as you can see, just over 56,000 miles there on the clock. Comes with your hands-free and with your steering controls, start stop button, lovely touchscreen display with your sat nav, hands-free, radio, and with any other media input you want to use, including your aux cable, Bluetooth and USB. You also have parking camera with parking sensors as well. And down here you do also have your climate control, seat settings, which also does come with front heated seats and rear heated seats as well. Your vehicle control settings and all your other display bits there as well. As mentioned, it is automatic with sport mode as well, which is here. All your other driver settings, manual electric handbrake, 2 cup holders. Does also come with 2 individual armrests which are adjustable, as well as the panoramic roof, which does have the sunroof option and with just one press that closes and opens. Which is great for the sunny days or the starry nights. Those come with full leather interior. A little bit more storage on the back of the front seats there as well. And the heated seats options for the rear. Well, with 2 charging ports, 12 volt as well, and a little bit more storage in there. There's also a 60-40 split on the back seats, with the centre coming down with an armrest, 2 cup holders, and a little bit more storage there as well. Adjustable headrests throughout. Privacy glass on the back. One touch on the on the boot, which opens up to a brilliant space. Plenty of room. Also does come with the boot cover as well. And underneath here does come with a spare wheel, which is a nice black alloy. Adjustable parcel shelves, which does retract. And again, one push to close.
That, hey.
Well played. As you can see, Sport HSE SD V6. Very nice clean vehicle, plenty of space. It's a lovely drive. It's got the comfort, the space, the looks and the power. Again, electric passenger seat. With the button press for the glove compartment, as well as extra storage here, along with a CD player.
Yeah.
There we are, beautiful 2018 Range Rover Sport 3 litre SD, diesel automatic in white, 56,000 miles on the clock, and a full service history now at Benmarks Motors. Thank you for watching.